Let's start with letter A. A sounds A, A. Can you tell me the object starts with A sound? Let me think along with you. A, apple. A, ant. A, axe. Now you have to find another 3 objects that start with A sound. And don't forget to share it with us. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that starts with A sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Apple, ant, axe, ambulance, aeroplane. Let's go forward with letter B. B sounds B, B. B, B, bat. B, B, ball. B, B, bear. See, it was that easy. Could you think of any objects? Start with B sound. Can you guess it? Let's give you a hint. Yes, it's a bus. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that start with B sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Bat, ball, bear, butterfly, bus. It's so fun to find the objects. Now, let's move forward and find the object starts with letter C. C sounds K, 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 cat. K, K, crab. K, K, car. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that start with K sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Cat, crab, car, cow, cake. Letter D. D sounds D, D. Duck, dice, dog, door, drum. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that starts with D sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Duck, dice, dog, door, drum. Letter E. E sounds E, E. Egg, elephant. Engine, eggplant, envelope. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that start with E sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Egg, elephant, engine, eggplant, envelope. Letter F. F sounds. Fish. Fence. Frog. Flamingo. Fox. Childrens, please repeat with me all the objects that start with sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Fish, fence, frog, flamingo, fox.
Letter G. G sounds G. G. Gift. Girl. Gun. Goat. Gum. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that start with G sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Gift, girl, gun, goat, gum. Letter H. H sounds H. H. Helicopter, hair, hand, hat. House. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that start with H sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Helicopter, hair, hand, hat, house. Letter I. I sounds E. E. Igloo, iguana, ink, ice cream, ice. Children, please repeat with me all the objects that start with E sound. Please see the screen and repeat with me. Igloo, iguana, ink, ice cream, ice.